Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natashea. If you're new here, my channel is about personal growth, personal finance, luxury travel, and all things luxury. So I was supposed to film this on Friday, but I was tired and feeling down from being inside so much, so I didn't. But it's Monday, the sun is out, and I'm excited. If you're already subscribed here, thank you so much for subscribing. And I implore any of you who are not already subscribed to go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. So, as the subtitle says, this is an unboxing of the Cuyana classic structured tote that I got like a week ago. The shipping was pretty quick given the time that, this shipping is happening with all the COVID-19 stuff happening. But, retail therapy is a real thing, and I've bought another bag since then, which I will unbox on Friday. So we're just gonna jump right into this one. There isn't much backstory. I was wanting a bag I could just throw things into and be all set to leave the house and not too worried about having to clean it later. Because the thing now with using luxury bags is like, do I take it out? If I set it down somewhere, like how do I clean it effectively? How do I disinfect it? Like I don't want to deal with that. So this bag comes in this dust bag right here, okay? It's a linen dust bag. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the dust bag. It does not come in a box. It just comes in the shipping box, but they just put it directly in here. So here it is. It is a beautiful cappuccino color. It is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's great for, like I said, just getting in and out of the house, quick errands, since none of us are really doing anything more extensive than that. I also will probably be using it for travel or for anything that I feel like I don't want to use my more expensive bags for. This bag retails for $195 and they do add tax to it. So in my state, my tax is 8.25, so I ended up paying around $211, somewhere there. I can't remember exactly, but this is the bag. It comes, it's basic, it's blank, right? Let's see if I can get more into it. So it's blank. It is a blank bag. This is the back. I can tell the back because of the sewing here. Inside, it is a lighter cappuccino color. It comes with this stuffing. It also comes with these two ties, so you can tie it up and create a slightly different shape with the bag. So I'll show you. This creates kind of like the cinched up look here, which I do realize the frame is not big enough for what I'm trying to do here. But basically that. I'm too lazy to make it any more detailed than that. So here's the stuffing. One side of it, the price tag in here. Cuyana. Okay. It has like different information. I'm gonna play a video on the side here to show you like what that the box it came in and all. So it just has the price in here, $195, and fewer better is their motto, right? Fewer stuff, better quality, etc., etc. So this is going to be my go-to bag. The inside is also leather. I'm guessing this is one piece of leather that they treated differently on two different sides. Oh, I've already put a mark in here, which is not great. So it is very full because I've already been using it this weekend. So I'm just going to take out the stuffing, basically. And this is what I have in it so far that are my go-to items. It's just my toiletry 19, my mini pochette, the Christmas edition, and I just have my AirPods. That's usually what I take with me. Inside my toiletry 19, I have my Chanel wallet, and I have Chanel hand lotion, which I actually need some right now. Okay. So I just keep those things in here. I try not to carry too many things, honestly, but I felt like this would be an easy bag to get in and out of and not worry about cleaning it extensively. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So I've kind of done a unboxing and a what's in my bag. So hopefully that inspires you to hit the like button, okay? All right, and that subscribe button. I do plan on revealing the next bag that I bought that actually gets here today, Monday, and I will post the unboxing on Friday. So that's it, the Cuyana structured tote. Okay, I do plan on buying the insert for it at some point from the same brand. It's kind of pricey for an insert, it's like $95, but I'm curious to try it out and unbox it for you guys. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me today on Monday. Happy Monday. Hopefully this little unboxing gives you a little more oomph in your step and you're excited about the day. So anyway, have a great Monday, you guys. Bye.